Now, with Zaptic, it's simple, it's easy, and operators like to use that.
Now when I get this Zaptic, I go with my phone, I write everything, I take a photo, it's easy to remember and do everything like I should, so it's easy. I like Zaptic.
Before Zaptic, we manage a lot of data by paper and Excel, and it's so hard to have a report in that way.
So it was nearly impossible to see pattern through the data. Now, thankfully, the situation vastly improved.
Tasks for the employees are in one place, so they can simply check their to-do list. It's for them easy to follow. It's easier for the line management to check what has been done and what is missing.
We find a company like a Zaptic which gave us flexibility, saying it is low code, no code. It means it can be adjusted in any time, can be used by us.
We have some differences in our processes and procedures between our sites, and Zaptic allows us to keep this flexibility and to have one standard, but with small tweaks for every site in our organization.
One of the main barriers we have today of not being digitalized is to share among countries, and this is why we are expecting with us rolling out CWP in all Europe that we will create more connection between our site, community of excellence by technology.
With the intent to eliminate and reduce activity and process without added value. For example, our team leader on the packaging line spent in the past 20% of their time to collect, to find the number, and without have time to work on the number and make decisions.
It's easier for operators to have everything on one to-do list, so they always know what they have to do and when they have to do it.
We are able to collect data on the problem live on the machine, so on the moment it's happening. So we don't need to take notes and then go in another room on a computer to transcribe those data, but we can do directly on the machine, and that's very helpful because we can have a lot more details and we're very precise with the information we have.
An important thing is that Zaptic is using also for the handover between shifts, thanks to the history of what has happened on the previous shift. That is useful information for the next operator that can read all the history on the page of the machine and understand what has been done, what he needs to do. So you can share best practices across lines, across plants and across countries.
Before was very difficult to have a figure on compliance. Now we have it every hour, every shift, you know where you are.
Young people which are coming to our organization saying we are, let's say, using the same tools like they're using in our external work. That means they're teaching people how to work and how to perform the work, how to be connected. The people are prepared.
I can safely say that it was a revolution, in the sense that it was a revolutionary approach on how the operators start and approach their job. Even when we have a new entry, we just show them the Zaptic to-do list, we show them the connected water platform boards. They can immediately see what they have to do and how they have to do it.
We noticed 5 to 10 times more defects registered than with previous systems.
For me, standardization is a gift. This is the best experience of a lot of failures that you deliver to the community as the best way of doing things today. And CWP contribute to standardization of ways of working thanks to Zaptic.